Let's face it, working with a Word document can sometimes feel like a guessing game. You're unsure what fonts are being used, whether any styles have been applied, or if you're dealing with a line break, page break, or section break. But instead of wasting your time trying to figure out things the long way, this video will show you some quick tips to easily see what's going on. Let's start with fonts. As you can see, this document has several different font types throughout, and you might want to identify each one. Now, most people would click on the text, then check up here for the font type. But there's a faster way. Press Shift F1 to open the Reveal Formatting pane. Once it's open, simply click on the font you want to inspect, and you'll see detailed formatting information, such as the font type, paragraph alignment, and more. If you hover over a link, like the font link, you can open a dialog box to make some changes. Let's move on and talk about headings, also known as styles, which, by the way, are one of Word's most underrated features because they let you do things like build table of contents. But today, let's say you inherit a document that seems to have headings, but you're not sure. Instead of clicking on each heading and checking up here, try this. Go under File, Options, Advanced, scroll down to the Display section, and find Style Area Width pane in Draft and Outline view. Whew, that's a mouthful. Set it to 1 inch and click OK. At first, it might seem like nothing happened, but if you go to View, Draft, you'll see the section over here on the left that shows you the styles and headings in your document. And just so you know, normal fonts or regular fonts is a style. To remove this pane, hover over the edge until you see the double-headed arrow, then drag it to the far left, or go back to the options and set the style area width to 0. To return to your regular view, click Print Layout. Next up, let's talk about these odd gaps in your document, whether they're in your paragraphs or scattered throughout. A quick way to diagnose the issue is by clicking on the Show Hide button. For example, if you see an arrow symbol within a paragraph, it means you're dealing with a line break, not a paragraph break. Line breaks are created when you press Shift-Enter, while pressing Enter creates a paragraph break, which are identified by this symbol. Another issue might be odd gaps within your document, and you're not sure what's causing them. Now, more often than not, these are breaks within your document. Some of the breaks you might encounter are section breaks, column breaks, and continuous breaks. And these can significantly impact how your text is displayed. For example, you might find an unexpected column break or section break somewhere. You may not know how they got there, but you can click on them, press Delete to get rid of them. Finally, if you're dealing with extra white space in justified text, this video will show you how to fix it.